Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this rifle hack on Dress to Impress. So just put on an outfit that you want first. I just put this one on real quick. You're going to go here and you're going to grab the pillow and you're going to color it like black or gray or any color you want. Select the camera and color that the same as well. Color everything this dark color. Then you're going to go into one of the changing rooms and you're going to select this. Select the toggle and select axe off. And you're going to basically color everything the same color. And that is it from the side. It looks really cool. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!